In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user permissions in Webflow. If you need to control who can access your site, who can make changes, and what level of permission each person has, Webflow makes that process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can confidently manage access for your site. To begin, go to your Webflow dashboard. This is the main area where all of your projects are listed, so it's the starting point for managing any site in your workspace. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the specific site you want to update. If you manage multiple projects, it's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct one before making any permission changes. Next, hover over the site you want to manage and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to additional options for that project. It can be easy to overlook if you're moving quickly, so make sure you hover directly over the correct site card until the menu appears. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the configuration area for the selected site, where Webflow keeps a variety of site-specific controls. Since permissions affect who can access and edit your project, this is the right place to manage those details. Once you're inside the site settings, click on Site Access. This section is where Webflow allows you to control who can interact with the site and at what level. Think of this as the permission hub for the project. If you're collaborating with teammates, clients, or other contributors, this is the section you'll likely return to whenever roles need to be reviewed or updated. From here, choose who can view or edit the site, and then adjust their specific site roles. This is the most important part of the process because roles determine what each user is allowed to do. For example, some people may only need viewing access, while others may need editing permissions to actively work on the site. It's a good practice to assign the lowest level of access needed for each person's responsibilities, since that helps keep the project organized and reduces the chance of unwanted changes. As you make updates, take a careful look at each person's role to make sure it matches what they actually need access to. Even a quick review here can save time later and help avoid confusion for your team. And that's how to manage user permissions in Webflow. Once you know where the site access settings live, updating roles becomes a quick and simple task whenever your team changes.